To fix a battery drain on your Pixel Fold, swipe up to see your apps. Tap Settings. Scroll down, then tap Battery. To find a list of apps that used your battery since your phone's last full charge, tap Battery Usage. To restrict an app that uses a lot of battery or force a problem app to stop, tap on the app. Select Unrestricted, Optimized, or Restricted battery use. If an app uses too much battery, consider uninstalling it. To continue fixing a battery drain, tap the back arrow. Tap Battery Saver. To automatically save power when your phone's battery gets low by limiting apps and features, turn on Battery Saver. To set a battery saver schedule based on your preferences, tap Set a Schedule. Choose your schedule option. Tap the back arrow. To save even more power by turning off features and pausing most apps, tap Extreme Battery Saver. To choose when Extreme Battery Saver will turn on, tap When to Use. To choose which apps will still run while Extreme Battery Saver is on, tap Essential Apps. Battery Saver and Extreme Battery Saver never turn off essential apps like phone, messages, clock, and settings.